we will just continue na sumunod lang tayo ng sumunod kung hindi natin sasabihin yung mga dapat natin sabihin just because we are afraid that people would think of us negatively, they would think of us as kalaban, or alam mo yun, masama kasi tingin ng mga tao when it comes to these kinds of conversation. And I think it is important na tanggapin mo na lang na maging masama yung tingin nila sa'yo. Kasi it doesn't mean naman na masama yung tingin nila sa'yo, you are doing something bad. Because regardless of what others thinks about the things that you do, it is your cause that is more important. Forgetting. Hindi porket umaasenso tayo, hindi porket nagde-develop tayo. We are forgetting the past, we are forgetting the value and heritage that once shaped us to the society and the result that we now know today. Napakaliit na bayan ng Moro, pero napakayaman ang kultura nito. And the same goes for the Little Prince. Hindi man ito madalas nakikita ng tao, pero kapag tinignan nito ng iyong puso, makikita mo kung gaano kahalaga